And the kettlebell single arm rotational deadlift looks like something like this, alright? Starting off with the kettlebell on the outside of the left foot, and then reach and grab, lift and down. Again, reach, grab, and down. Alright, okay? Just like that. Okay? Lift, down. Twist, lift, and down. Again, twist, lift, and down. Right? Reach, lift, and down. Okay? And twist, lift, and down. Again, reach, grab the bell, lift, and down. Again, twist, lift, and down. Again, okay? Right. Right. Twist, lift, and down. Okay, reach, grab the bell, lift, and down. Again, okay, grab the bell, lift, and down. Again, excellent job. Again, right. Okay, reach, grab the bell, lift, and down. Again, twist, okay, lift, and down. Again, excellent job. Okay, reach, grab the bell, lift, down. Again, okay, last one. Okay, reach, grab the bell, and down. Excellent job. And the kettlebell tactical row looks like something like this, alright? Okay, right. Again, okay, okay, hand to hand, okay, row, hand over, okay, row, hand over, hand to hand row, okay, hand over, excellent job. Again, just like a single arm row, okay, and then switch, okay, hand over, row, hand over, row, hand over, okay, excellent. Again, hand over, row, hand over, and row. Excellent job. And the kettlebell tactical clean looks like something like this, right? And clean, okay, and switch, okay, again, switch, tactical clean, and switch, okay, again, lower, and switch, okay, again, tactical clean, hand over, okay, and switch, again, tactical clean, switch, hand over, okay, tactical clean. All right, excellent. Again, hand over, okay, and switch, okay, excellent job. Tactical clean, okay, switch, okay, again, tactical clean, and switch, right, okay, again, tactical clean, switch, last one, tactical clean. Excellent job. And the kettlebell tactical snatch looks like something like this, right? Okay, right, and hand over and snatch, okay, okay, hand over, snatch, okay, switch, right, and hand over and switch, okay, again, tactical snatch, hand over, okay, and switch, okay, again, hand over, snatch, okay, tactical snatch, hand over, right, again, snatch and switch, snatch, tactical snatch, and hand over, snatch, excellent job, snatch, okay, tactical snatch, hand over, again, and snatch, okay, and switch, okay, and tactical snatch, again, hand over, snatch, right, last one, okay, snatch, excellent job. And the kettlebell single arm clean rotational press looks like something like this. All right, okay, clean rotational press and switch, 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 okay, clean rotational press again and switch, okay, clean rotational press again, right, clean, rotational press, and switch. Okay, clean, rotational press, again, and switch. Clean, rotational press, again, and switch. Clean, rotational press, again, and switch. Clean, rotational press, and switch. Clean, rotational press, again, clean, rotational press. Last one, switch, clean, rotational press. Excellent job. Clean, rotational press. Again, and switch. Okay, clean, rotational press. Again, clean, rotational press. Last one, clean, and rotational press. Excellent job. So there you have it, guys. A very nice full body workout from kneeling kettlebell exercises to double grip kettlebell and also single arm kettlebell workout. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you very much for watching once again. This is Mix D, Pinoy Cowboy, saying keep on loving and keep on exercising because health is well, guys. Paalam. Right?